Welcome to this video on Introduction to On-Page SEO. After watching this video, you'll be able to list the key elements of on-page SEO that influence search engine rankings and user experience, identify the importance of each on-page SEO element, and describe how content optimization enhances user engagement and improves dwell time. Ever feel like you've put in effort but no one's noticing your website? That's where on-page SEO helps. It gives your site a clear voice that helps it get seen, heard, and ranked. Think of on-page SEO as the base of your SEO strategy. It helps each page on your site clearly explain its purpose to search engines. Once you understand how it works, you'll get better at improving your site's performance. So why does on-page SEO matter? It helps search engines understand what your page is about. You give clear clues about your topic when you improve things such as title, headings, and content. For example, if your page is about best coffee beans for espresso, using those exact words and similar ones tells search engines exactly what you're talking about. On-page SEO isn't just for search engines, it also helps your visitors. Search engines pay attention to how people use your site. For example, how fast your page loads, the faster the better. Do users leave after one page? You want fewer to do that. How long do they stay? Longer is better. How they interact, such as clicking, scrolling, or filling out forms. More is good. When your site is easy and helpful for users, search engines reward you with higher rankings. Another big part of on-page SEO is helping search engines easily find and read your site. If your site is well organized, has good internal links, and has clear URLs, search engines can quickly understand all your important pages. Think of an online store with clear categories and subcategories. They help search engines reach every product page without confusion. Let's go over the main elements to focus on. First, we'll talk about title tags. These are the headlines you click on in search results, and they help both users and search engines understand what your page is about. Meta descriptions. These are short summaries in the search results below the title. While they don't directly affect rankings, a well-written meta description can encourage more people to click on your link. For example, good. Shop our wide selection of women's running shoes, free shipping and easy returns. Bad. This page is about women's running shoes. Headings. They help organize your content and make it easier to read. The H1 is your main title, and the H2s and H3s break down subtopics. For a coffee brewing page, H1, the ultimate guide to brewing coffee at home. H2, types of coffee beans. H3, pour over. Content optimization. Content is king, but it's not just about writing, it's about writing well. Make sure your content uses relevant keywords naturally, provides thorough and accurate information, is easy to read with headings, bullet points, and visuals, keeps visitors engaged so they stay longer, encourages interaction, like, comments, and shares. For example, a blog about how to change a car tire should include step-by-step instructions, images, or videos, safety tips, and FAQs. Keywords. Keywords are the words people type into search engines. Use them wisely in your titles, headings, and content to help search engines match your page with relevant searches. Alt text. Don't forget your images. Use descriptive alternate text so search engines can understand it. Compress images to speed up your page and choose the right file formats. For example, good alt text would be a close-up photo of a red coffee mug on a wooden table. Bad alt text would be image1.jpg. Internal linking. Link to other relevant pages on your site. This helps visitors explore more and tells search engines which pages are important. For example, a page about SEO best practices might link to keyword research or link building pages. URL structure. Keep URLs clear and simple. They should describe the page content and be easy to read. Good URL. www.example.com/blog/SEO-tips-for-beginners. Bad URL. www.example.com/page?ID=123. Last but not least, mobile friendliness. Make sure your website looks and works great on all devices, especially phones. Mobile-friendly sites keep visitors happy, reduce bounce rates, and get better rankings because search engines prioritize them. To sum it up, on-page SEO is about optimizing the parts of your website that search engines and users see. By focusing on title tags, meta descriptions, headings, content, keywords, images, internal links, URLs, and mobile friendliness, you're setting your site up for success. Take the time to get these right, and you'll improve your visibility, attract more visitors, and create a great experience for everyone who visits your site. In this video, you learned that on-page SEO is essential for helping search engines and users understand your website's content and structure. Optimizing elements like title tags, meta descriptions, and headings improves your chances of ranking higher in search results. Enhancing user experience through fast page speeds, engaging content, and easy navigation leads to better rankings and happier visitors. Proper site structure, internal linking, and clear URLs makes it easier for search engines to crawl and index your site. Using relevant keywords, optimizing images, and ensuring mobile friendliness are key factors for effective on-page SEO. Implementing these on-page SEO techniques boosts your site's visibility, attracts more organic traffic, and helps you reach your online goals.